Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are testing some of the e.l.f. products. e.l.f. has recently launched on Nykaa. Today we are going to test some of the products that I had already, but I had not tested. So we can, together see how that works. And I'm going to be coming with another video on e.l.f. where I'm going to be sharing my thoughts on all the products that I have tested from e.l.f. So from today's video as well as the products that I have tested from the past, so you have a good understanding and an overall broad idea of what you can expect from the e.l.f. products. So check out for that video as well. And now without any further blabbering, let's try and test the product that I had not tested till now, so we will test it together. So I've got almost full face of products. I would say there are some products that are missing, but then I wanted to go ahead and try it. Now guys, some of the products are not available in India yet, but since they've already launched on Nykaa, I am definitely sure they are going to expand the product range as well. So I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that all of these products will be available on Nykaa in India soon as well. So I don't want to wait any further. I wanted to give my thoughts on all the e.l.f. products that I have. The first product that I have here is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. So this is how the primer looks. Plain simple packaging. So yeah, this is plastic tub, but it's not a cheap quality tub. It looks nice, and this is how the product looks from inside. It's pretty smooth. So yeah, let's see how it goes. So I'm just going to start from my T-zone and then move it outwards. So the texture feels quite smooth. Now it feels very smooth, but it's not like silicone feel, you know what I mean? Does not feel like silicone, but it feels very soft. So I do like the fact that it is not very silicone. Sometimes with the very silicone primers, you don't feel that good about them. But yeah, this one looks good. I don't see a lot of difference, so to say, on my pores, but then I definitely see that it has smoothened the entire face. So let me just quickly read through the claims. So this says, this perfecting putty primer smoothens the skin and preps it with squalene to help moisturize and grip makeup for all day wear. Velvety texture glides all over the skin, smoothing all over the perfections for a poreless effect. Don't see a huge difference on my pores, maybe a very slight difference, but not a huge difference. So yeah, that's about the primer. So the foundation that I'm using today is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear Foundation. The e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. This is how it looks, and it's very soft. I have used this in the past. I really like it. It's a really nice brush. I'm just buffing it into my face. As you can see, it blends very nicely. I don't know if the lighting is too off, sorry if that's the case. When I see it in my mirror, this looks fine. The shade and everything looks fine, but maybe I think in the camera it might be looking a little bit more white. The foundation has blended well. There is no patchiness or anything that I can see. So the brush I really like. It does a very great job. It has a very soft feel, so you'll feel very nice when you're stripling it across your face. So yeah, I really definitely like it. So the next product that I have here is the 16-hour Camo Concealer. This one is definitely available on Nykaa website, and also the brush was available on Nykaa website. The Poreless Putty Primer is also available on Nykaa website. So till now, whatever products I have are available on Nykaa and on India. So this is how the tube looks like. I'm in the shade Fair Beige. So yeah, if you open it, it comes with a doe foot applicator. So this is how it looks, pretty big applicator. So yeah, let's see how it performs. So it seems too light, so yeah, let me just try and blend it. I'm using my PAC 272 brush for blending. So it's blending pretty nice, but it's a very pigmented concealer. It has definitely covered everything, and I think I applied a little too much, so we will just try and sort out this catastrophe that we have here. Now the thing that I can definitely see is that the concealer is not creasing bad. It looks pretty nice and blended. Normally on my eyelids all of the concealers crease, but this one is not creasing, so definitely something that I am liking. Okay, let's now move to the brows. So I have this brow pencil from ELF. You have a similar option available on Nykaa's website. This is in the shade Auburn. This is a brow pencil. I think this shade is not available, but I think we have 3 shades that are available which are pretty much similar to this one. So this comes with a spoolie on one side and the product on the other side. It's a retractable pencil. It's not very fine. It's not the finest of what we have seen, but let's see how it works. And the spoolie is nice. It's good. It's not like very scratchy. The brow pencil is nice. It has, it's not the very softest. It's the right amount of softness that you would probably want in your eyebrow pencil. You can fill nicely. The only thing is that the color is too off for me. So yeah, another color would have been better. A little bit of cool toned. This is quite warm, but then overall the pencil is fine. So yeah, it's a okay product. Let's move on. Blush and bronzer palette. So this is the cream blush palette. Now I didn't see this on Nykaa yet, but I'm hoping that soon it will be there. This is in the shade Soft. All of these are blushing shades. Let's see how this goes. I'm actually just I will try and use my foundation brush itself to blush and contour. So let's do that. I'm just taking a little bit of product on my brush and just patting it on my cheeks. I will actually probably be adding another shade as well, since it's pretty peachy, just to get a little more pink out there. But I think I do like the tone of it, and it's spreading well as well. Like with the brush, I'm not facing any issue. Let me just add another shade, a little bit of pink. I have used another blush and bronzer from ELF, so I'm just going to use that bronzer one. This is the ELF bronzed and blush palette. This is how it looks. As you can see, I've used pretty much. I like it. The blushes and the bronzer is good. I'm just going to use that to bronze up a bit. I mean, it does blend nicely. The good thing is that it does not move your foundation or anything. All of these are cream blushes and bronzer, by the way. So normally what happens is that cream blushes, bronzers do tend to move your foundation, but these ones don't. So yeah, do like them. If you're someone who's afraid to use them, you can definitely go and check these out. Let's move on. So what is left? Eyeshadows. So let's quickly do that. So the eyeshadow that I have, none of them are available on Nykaa yet, but it will just give good idea of how you could expect the eyeshadows to perform. So this is the ELF eyeshadow palette, Mad for Matte. All of these are matte eyeshadows, and these are like a very cool tone eyeshadow palette. Is how the palette looks like. I really like it. It's very sleek, very small, so very travel friendly. This is how the colors look inside. They look beautiful. For somebody who loves cool tone shades, this is absolutely gorgeous. Let us quickly start. I will just probably take this shade for my crease. So let's begin. Now let me take a little bit of darker shade, this one right here, and blend it on top of this shade. Okay, now these are nice and blended. Now I'll take a little darker shade to create that color on the outer corner. So I am taking this one right there, blending and blending. So these blend nicely. There is no fallout, so to say, that I'm noticing on the face. That these are really great eyeshadows. I got these two. These are called as smudge pots. So this is in the shade Gotta Glow and this is in the shade Cruisin' Chick. So this is how these colors look. This is goldeny, this is bronzy brown, something like that. This is how it looks. These comes in these clear tubs, tubs. This one is not available along as well on the website. I've taken a flat brush so I can pick up this product nice and deposit on my lid. Let's see how this goes, guys. Oh, it has a good amount of pigment and it's going very nicely on the lid. It's like golden metallic, but it has no shimmer. Okay, I'm pretty happy with how the eye is looking. It looks nice and blended. Eyes are done. Let's move on to the next step. I have a lip primer from them. So this one is available on Nykaa. I think it's a different packaging. So this is how the one that I have looks like. It's in the shade clear. This is a lip primer. So let's quickly go and try it. My lips are pretty sticky now. Now, I don't have a lipstick from them. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to try and use the cream blush as a lipstick and let's see how it goes. So I'm just using this shade right here, or actually this shade. Let's use this one. This definitely looks very, very nude and it's not very pigmented because probably that's what you would want your blushes to be, not to be too pigmented, but I like it. Probably let me add another color. I think it's decent, but obviously it's not a lip product, so but then it'll do. It'll just do fine. So yeah, that's done, and let's do with the last step, some fixer. So guys, this is how the entire look has turned out. I am okay with it. I mean, I'll just quickly browse through on some of my thoughts. On the primer, it's fine. It's normal, average. I don't see anything specific about it. It's just fine. I have actually used another primers. They feel a little more hydrating than this one, but yeah, I mean, I'm not like very sure about my thoughts on it, but I feel at the moment it's an average primer. Now moving on to the concealer. Concealer is great. I love the concealer. The color is a little off for me, but then it doesn't crease, and it has a great coverage, so I really like the concealer. Then on the blush and bronzer, I definitely like it. They are cream, but they blend very nice, beautifully, and the colors are beautiful colors. You will definitely find some color for your skin type, for your skin tone, definitely. So definitely like the blushes. The eyeshadows, I love them. They are matte, they are beautiful, they blend very nicely, no fallout whatsoever. I love them. The shimmers, I like the tubs as well. I like them as well. They have a good payoff. Great. I mean, I like the eye products. The eyebrow pencil was okay, average again. Pretty much average. On the lip primer, I do think that it will help your lipsticks to stay on your lips for a little longer. The brush is absolutely beautiful. It's a very affordable brush. It does blend your makeup very nicely. It is very soft, very gentle on your face, so definitely something that you can look for. So yeah, I hope you liked the video. If you did, don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, and definitely keep out looking for the final thoughts of me on all of the e.l.f. products that I have tried in this video, along with the products that I've already tried in the past. So you will get a good catalog of products and what my thoughts are in it. So definitely stay tuned for that, and we will meet very soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.